Sigma is
Sir,
yes.
negative relation is coming under regression.
Come again.
Negative relation is equal to regression.
No. Positive relation or negative relation.
Both are correlation.
Both are called correlation. Both are called regression. See, correlation is understanding whether there is a relation, there is a linear relationship exist or not. See, before correlation and regression, there is a scatter analysis. There is a scatter analysis. You know what is scatter analysis? Plot a scatter diagram. You plot a scatter diagram, that will tell you whether a relationship exists or not. That will tell you whether a relationship exists or not. And correlation and regression will tell you what kind of relationship exists. Whether the relationship is linear or relationship is quadratic or relationship is cubical. Clear?
So can we say that the correlation and regression both are same only?
Hello? No, not same. There is a difference. We will be teaching you. There is a difference. Yes, sir. RK sir, you want to add something?
Yeah. Regression means it's a statistics. Right? Regression means it's a statistics. It tells a relation between the two, a measure of relation between the two. Okay. Clear?
All right. See, imagine. Yes, sir.
And
thank you.
Correlation normally we refer to between two values. Correlation we refer to between two values normally. X and Y, there is a correlation there. Yes or no?
Yes.
There is a correlation between V2. The more I teach you, the more you learn. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The more I teach you, the more you learn. The more you observe, the more you learn. Like that. Okay? It can be quantified, then it's a correlation. Regression means when there are many factors, right? When I say many factors, two factors also can include now. Right? It is like crowd. Two also is a crowd. Three is a crowd, we normally say. Right? Now, in regression, we find the impact of each and every factor. Right? See, when I say that I am also teaching you, Gopal Chokra also is teaching you, tomorrow Mahalakshmi also will be teaching you, each one having an impact on you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That impacts may be different. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Probably the way he teaches, you will be understanding more. The way I teach, probably you'll be understanding a little difficult. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
There is a variation in the impact of our teaching on you. That study of that is called regression analysis. Clear? Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
So if there are two persons walking together, you want to understand whether there is a relationship between the two or not. Right? And that is called correlation. That is called correlation. Two people are walking on the road, whether both of them have a relationship within themselves or not. That's correlation. But what kind of relationship they have, what kind of relationship they have, that whether it is linear or it is quadratic or it is cubical, and the impact of each on your y variable, and that is called regression. All right. Anyway, you will be discussing everything in detail. Don't worry about in the initial stages. We are only giving you an overview, a flavor of what you are going to learn. And then everything is a topic, everything is a session you will be learning. But if you go through some literature and come prepared with your questions, we'll be more happier to help all of you, right? Do that. And Six Sigma is a metric that tells you how good you are in producing products meeting customer requirement. If you say I'm 100% capable, that means your Sigma levels are very high. That means everything you produce, customer will buy happily. He will pay for everything you are doing. But if the customer is willing to pay only buy only half of what you produce and reject half of you, then your capability is very low. So Six Sigma itself is a metric that tells you how good or how capable you are in producing products meeting customer requirement. And there is a benchmark that once your capability becomes Six Sigma level, if you achieve Six Sigma capability, The defects are limited to 3.4 DPMO. 3.4 DPMO, where DPMO stands for defects per million opportunities. So we are going to teach you what is an opportunity, what is a defect, and how come this DPMO can be calculated in the measure phase, right? Defects per million opportunity. So Six Sigma is basically a metric. Increase the Six Sigma, Sigma level, be rest assured. Customer can't touch your product and can't reject your item. So Six Sigma is a methodology. It gives you two methodology. One is DMAC, another one is DMAT-V. DMAC for improving the existing products, improving the existing process. There is one more, DMAT-V, that is for developing new products or designing a process completely new. That is called DMAT-V. It gives two methodology. Six Sigma is also a way of management. If you practice Lean and Six Sigma very effectively, and companies practicing Lean and Six Sigma effectively will differentiate the people, not based on the age, not based on the experience, and not based on anything else, purely based on their ability to contribute to the organization's growth. That is what is getting reflected in your belt color, right? If you are an yellow belt, your ability is limited. If you are a green belt, and again, it is limited to a certain extent. If you are a black belt, yes, you can lead any level of project, right? So Six Sigma is also a way of management. And for each and every failure that happens, Six Sigma gives you a proper framework by which, you can sort out the failure. Six Sigma is also a philosophy. There are so many philosophies you are learning here. Always meeting customer requirements is quality. You can apply this wherever, right? If you want to apply this, between a brother and sister, right? If you understand your sister's requirement, then you will be a good brother to her, isn't it? Same way, whoever is your customer, if you understand and then meet the requirement, this philosophy will work everywhere. So Six Sigma is a philosophy. What gets measured gets improved. So these are all applicable everywhere. We can apply our learning in our personal life also, right? So Six Sigma is a metric, it's a methodology, it's a way of management, and it is also a philosophy, right? So what I do is I stop here because the next session